Hello everyone. I hope you all doing good and welcome back to my channel. We are solving Natas and this is one of the challenge in Over the Wire. In my previous video, I have solved. I think we have obtained the password for level 4. So let's try to log into level 4 now and see if we can find the password for level 5. Let's get started. So we have password for level 4 from my previous video and latest 4 and see if we can actually find password for level 5. All right, so we are able to log into level 4 and it says that access disallowed. It also says that you're visiting from this, and while authorized users should come only from Natas, something related to Natas 5. So we are at level 4 and it says that we have to come from level 5. Okay. Now there's a refresh button page as well. So let's see. Let's try to refresh it. Okay. Okay. So we're visiting the site from this and if we are an authorized user, we should be coming from level 5. Okay. So we have one very friendly tool with us that we generally use to capture traffic to and fro from the application. So let's try to open Burpsuit and see if we can tweak the request in order to get the password for level 5. So let's do it. All right. So we'll go to proxy. We'll open a browser here. And once we open a browser, basically capture the request on this browser that we have opened from Bubsuit. Okay, so we have the password for level 4. Uh, oh, I think this is very small, so I can type this is 4 and then let's see. All right, so let's log in and see. Okay, let's refresh this page. Okay, now let's switch on the intercept and then click on refresh page. Okay, so this is a request that we get when we actually clicked on refresh page. There's a authorization token here, and yeah, so generally in this case, since it tells us that we are supposed to come from this host, and if we check, there's a header called a referrer header, and it tells us from where the request is coming from. So if we try to tweak this request and change it to level like natus 5 dot natus and so on, whatever given, we may be able to bypass it if there is no validation performed on this referrer header. So I'll do nothing. I'll just change this to level 5 and see, because that's what it's asking us to do. So let's send this request. Okay, it says that our response is 200. Okay, there is no validation performed on this, but it says that access is disallowed. Okay, so the only thing we can make this change as well, because the referrer header is still here only, like org slash. So let's send this request as well. And see if we can find the password. Oh, bingo! It says the access granted. The password for native 5 is so and so. Wow! So this is great. Now, oh, sorry. So just to check that same request on the browser, we'll just forward this request and see if we can find something over here. No. Okay. Intercept is on. CDP proxy. Okay, let's intercept is on. Refresh. I'll remove till here slash. I'll change this to native 5 because our authorized user is supposed to forward this request. Bingo! We got the password for level 5. That's amazing. I'll save this again. That's great. Uh, okay. I think that's all for uh, level 4. We have already obtained the password for level 5. That's it for today. Thank you for watching.